Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this drugstore friendly eye look that I created. So if you want to see more on how I actually achieved it, just keep watching the video. I am so excited to do this video using the Profusion Sienna palette that I purchased from my local Walmart. But first, I want to share with you all this Reed diffuser that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. It smells incredible. Just wanted to kind of throw this in there in case any of you shop at Dollar Tree. Okay, so I'm priming the entire mobile area of my eyes, and with the warmth of my fingertips, I'm going to blend this all the way up towards the brow bone. I'm then using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in a color called Medium Deep to help set that primer, and I like using this as a transitional color. It helps me to blend my eyeshadows together way more smoothly. So here's the palette, and I'm using the brush that comes along with the palette. So the first color is called Oasis, and with the blending brush, I'm just putting that on in the crease in a windshield type motion, being sure to blend it back and forth. I'm now going to go back into the palette and pick up the next color called Dapper, and this color is slightly darker than the first color, and it's really going to help define the shape of my crease and really warm my eye up for the next application of color, which is Bite. And I don't know who names these palettes, but the names are incredible. So this color is called Bite, and I gotta admit, since I've been using this palette, you know, the eyeshadow formula is very good. The eyeshadows are not chalky when applied. They blend effortlessly easy, and the pigmentation is insane. Color you see, you're definitely going to get. So kudos to Profusion, because they really have improved on the quality of their product lately. So this next color right here is called Groovy, and I'm focusing it in heavy in on my outer V. So I just wanted to kind of pull my eye back a little bit, because when I apply the product, I didn't want it to be harsh. So I'm diffusing it by pulling the eye back slightly, and I'm focusing that color on the outer V. And to brighten up my tear ducts, I decided to use this color right here called Conquest, and that's going to help brighten up my eyes with reflective light. Then off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner, and here is where I begin to pull my entire look together by blending my face with a facial blending brush. And I mix my two foundations together. They are by LA Colors and LA Girl Cosmetics, which will be down in the description box below. And now I'm a highlight and contour. This is my Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer, and then I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation stick, and I'm gonna begin blending out that highlight and contour around the perimeters of my face. Once I finish blending, I'm now using my LA Colors Cosmetics bronzers. The first one is called Deep Tan, and that's going to help me darken the contour, and the bottom one is called Tan, which is going to give me a gorgeous sun-kissed glow. And I love putting it around the bridge of my nose and around the perimeters of my face. So here's my LA Colors liquid bronze highlighter, which I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. I keep telling y'all, don't sleep the cosmetics that's being sold in Dollar Tree, because to say this highlighter is just $1, look at what it's doing. Gorgeous. But to really bump it up a notch, you know, I decided to use some Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop. A little bit of that is going to go such a long way. So now I'm adding my blush by Milani Cosmetics, which is called Rose de Rio, followed by a lippy by NYC Cosmetics, topped off with the Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics lippy, which will be launching very, very shortly. This color in particular is called Basic Nude. But on that note, dolls, this is now concluding the video. Check the description box below for everything used, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.